Hey TalkSmart fam, welcome back to TalkSmart English, where we speak easy, think big. I'm Sajjad.
And I'm Mira. Today's topic, it's time change your life for good. Only 3 steps. No gym, no cold shower. Ready?
Mira, do you ever wake up and feel stuck? Like your life is buffering?
Every day. I open TikTok for 5 minutes, poof, 1 hour gone.
Same, but I found a 3-step reset on X. Super easy. Want to hear?
Only if no 4 a.m. alarm.
Promise. Step 1, delete one app. Not use less, delete.
TikTok?
Yes, for 30 days. Replace scrolling with one micro-win every morning.
Micro-win. Like what?
Make your bed, text I love you to mom, learn one new word. Tiny but powerful.
Okay, I delete TikTok. You?
YouTube Shorts. Done.
Step 2.
Ask one silly question every day. Today I asked the tea stall uncle, if tea could talk, what would it say? He laughed and gave me free biscuits.
Genius. I'll ask the bus driver tomorrow, what's your life's background music?
Perfect. Step 3, schedule one future you date. Block 30 minutes this week for gym, English app, or guilt-free sleep.
Sleep? With permission? I'm in.
No pressure. Miss one day, just restart. Small wins change your brain.
Science?
Yes, your brain has a filter. It starts to see what matters. Tiny actions equal big change.
You practice this in the mirror, right?
At 2 a.m.,
Okay, I delete TikTok tonight. Text me tomorrow. Day 1, bed made. Mom texted. New word, sonder. Every stranger has a full life like you.
deep for 7 a.m., Future Mira is proud already.
Comment below. Which app will you delete? We read every single one.
Hit like if you're starting tonight, tap subscribe plus bell so you never miss a video.